Welcome to Ilikai 744. Live your dream vacation in this beautiful remodeled 1,000 square foot 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo at the Ilikai, the Waikiki landmark made famous by the TV show Hawaii 5-0. There are incredible ocean and harbor views from the living room, kitchen, and master bedroom, and 2 lanais with comfortable cushioned lounge chairs and a table with 4 chairs. Relax and enjoy the beautiful sunrises and sunsets. There are many great shops and restaurants at the Ilikai, and you're an easy walk, trolley, or taxi ride to many other exciting shops and restaurants at the Ala Moana Center. The Ala Moana Beach Park is just up the street. The Royal Hawaiian Shopping Center and the International Marketplace are just a short ride away. This luxuriously furnished corner condo features a split AC system, porcelain tile floors, living area with queen sofa sleeper, and a 60-inch flat-screen smart TV. The fully equipped kitchen has granite countertops, sub-zero refrigerator, dishwasher, oven, cooktop, and microwave. The master bedroom, with its ocean-facing lanai, has a California king bed and a 46-inch flat-screen TV. The master bathroom has an extra-wide tub, handheld shower wand, vanity with dual sinks, and a Toto toilet with washlet. The second bedroom features twin beds that can be made up as a king, and a 40-inch flat-screen TV. You'll also appreciate the convenience of a small, in-unit Bosch washer and dryer. The second bathroom has a shower with a handheld wand and a toilet with a washlet. Waikiki Beach and the Duke Kahanamoku Lagoon, open to the public, are accessible via the exclusive beach access walkway. The Ilikai has a saltwater pool and a kids' wading pool. Laundry facilities are also located on each floor. Free designated on-site parking for 1 vehicle and Wi-Fi are also included. You'll also have a front row seat to the spectacular sunsets and the Friday night fireworks. Spend your next vacation at Ilikai 744.